Hey, South Jersey, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Sunday was wet. Monday will feature some white. We are anticipating snow as we go into the day today. We have a winter weather advisory in effect for Ocean County as well as Burlington County. But do note that at the time of this video, Atlantic, Cape May, or Cumberland are not in any kind of advisory. That being said, also, LBI is not in a winter weather advisory. This is a really unique storm. On Sunday, we had this overrunning event, which is a meteorological process that can happen ahead of a low pressure system. Now the low pressure system is near us, and this is pretty much our impacts throughout the day. Let's get you to 7 a.m. on Monday. This is the Canadian model, and I'm pretty good with what this model is saying here. It is showing rain for your morning, so not a big deal. If you're wondering if school's going to be canceled or they're going to have a delayed opening, the answer is no. It's the morning that is okay, but watch as we go into the afternoon. This is 10 a.m. on Monday. This is 1 p.m. on Monday. Look how close that snow is to us. And look how deep these blues are from about Philly up to Poughkeepsie and Binghamton. This is something called a deformation band, which is a really intense band of snow. These are notoriously hard to predict, and really a change of only a couple miles can make the difference here. I do think that parts of South Jersey will see snow. I think all of us do see some snowflakes. I really do. However, it's mainly going to be in places like Manahawkin or like Hamilton, the northwestern portions of the Press of Atlantic City's coverage area. You get into eastern Burlington County, they too could see this as well. But this is going to continue into the evening here and really does not want to leave. This low pressure system wants to just hang around. And as a result, we go even to 1 a.m. on Tuesday. We're still talking about snow. And because we're at night, that's when I think most of South Jersey sees it snow. If you ever ask me, hey Joe, when would all of South Jersey be snowing at the same time? It would probably be Monday night. But again, those of you in Hamilton, Stafford, Eagleswood, Bass River could be snowing all throughout the afternoon on Monday as well. Now this is 4 p.m. on Monday. I'm going to show you a couple of different models. Remember I was saying that banding is going to set up? Pretty much has the idea throughout much of the models that it's going to be somewhere in New Jersey. Some are more well-defined than others. This is the Canadian model, pretty well-defined. If you go to the North American model, you just see bands of snow, one pretty much around the expressway corridor and one in the northern half of the state. We'll take it to the high-resolution rapid refresh model. Again, these bands are trying to set up. So the point is there are going to be heavy bands of snow somewhere in New Jersey. More than likely, it's not south of the expressway, but I won't rule it out. In terms of snowfall totals, I really like what the National Weather Service has here, where pretty much you're talking Vineland to Atlantic City on south, less than an inch. You could get 2 inches places north of there, and that would be most of Ocean County as well, save for Long Beach Island. Now, when we get into Tuesday morning, temperatures right around freezing, so I'm not anticipating a real quick freeze up after the snow ends. So that is good news for us. We will be above freezing throughout the day on Tuesday. One more thing I want to mention as well is the coastal flooding. Atlantic City is forecasted to be in just minor flood stage during the morning high tide on our Monday here. And in Long Beach Island, you could see 2 rounds of it. One Monday morning and then one Tuesday morning, but the Monday morning one will be higher. Thankfully, both are in minor flood stage. Move your cars if you need to. However, we are not anticipating any water inundation in homes or dwellings. We will update you throughout the day as we go forward. Keep it tuned here to the Press of Atlantic City for the latest.